Cue the intro.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to I'm just Mouse, and today we're gonna be playing a short horror game called Last Train Home. If I could move my face cam to the top right, that'd be amazing. All right, we got the circular one going. Why is it doing that still? There we go. We got the circular one going. So let's see what we're doing with here. Left, right, left, right. Yeah, Gory has up, down, up, down. I want left, right, left, right. I don't know if y'all heard me that one last video. Okay, bro's asleep. So guess we'll see how this goes. Looks like it's locked. Close footsteps. Alright. Damn, this slider does not work. That's enough. I'm gonna lie to you. Guess I'll try and find that guy later. Why is there just a child in here by herself? Yo. 1, 2, buckle my shoes.
Please stop this madness.
3. This is gonna be one of those gameplays. Thank you in the background. You better not. Oh, bro's motion sick. So I guess I'll just like walking through the train car, see what type. Bro is on top of the news. No, this is not it either. Huh? You there, young man? Have you seen the latest papers? No, I have not. Been looking for it everywhere. If you happen to find it, please bring it to me. Oh, I'm guessing it's gonna be on that old man that was asleep at the store window. Okay. So I guess now it's like a mini quest. We gotta go take the newspaper off the old man that was sleeping. And then we give it to him, and maybe he'll give us like a lighter. Yo. Oh hey. Hey there, brother. Good to see you there. Is there something you need? Oh, you want one of my newspapers? Well, for sure, brother. I can only give you one, though, or I'd get cold. Which one do you want? Well, here you go. Sleep tight, brother. Okay, I like him. He's a cool guy. He's not like some actual weirdo who's just sleeping on freaking. She needs some like motion sickness pills or something. You, I got you a newspaper. Ah, the papers. The papers you're holding. Is exactly what I'm looking for. Thanks a bunch, young man. Here, take this. Yay, I have no use for it anymore. Okay, got the lighter. Now we move on to the guy over here. So far, nothing scary has happened yet. Except for noise. Yo, hey kid, that lighter you hold. Did you let me? I can't read that because my face cam's anyway. Sure. Ah, that's the spot. You know, kid, this is going to be my last cigarette. I was going to retire from the force today. Okay, I need to move it down. Like, I know it's covering up, like, all this up here. So you're also... I can't make this one. Okay, bottom right. I was going to retire from the force, too. After this last train ride, I'll go home and see my family. Here, look at a picture of my dog. Ain't she cute? Anyway, kids, smoking's bad for you. That goes for y'all motherfuckers, too. That's what intel for you. The lass was sick between those two cars. She dropped something of hers earlier. I saw a child took it. Look at a child doing something like that. Anyways, kid, take it easy. So now what? Do I like talk to the child? Hi, mister. You want what that lady dropped? Sure, mister. But you better have an answer. But you have to answer my question first. Ready? Here goes. Which way do you think the train is going? East. So that's what you think? Haha, wrong. That was a trick question. We're not going east or west. Huh? Huh? Where is it exactly we're going? You're funny, mister. Shouldn't you know where you were... God dang. I should not have skipped that. Shouldn't you know where you want to go before getting on a train? This is a smart kid. I like this kid. Since you answered my question, here. Pill bottle. You better give it to her soon, mister. She's getting pretty sick. Alright then. So far, so good. Yo. I found my medicine. That's better. Sir, you're a lifesaver. I can't believe... Wait. This is all wrong. You shouldn't be here. Listen, you have to leave. Quick, follow me. What, bruh? What? Oh, the girl's gone. Okay, then. Okay, and the dude with the lighter's gone. And I think the old man that was sleeping on the bench is gone. My lighter. Now I can't see anything. Okay. This is totally not creepy. Okay. It's getting real eerie. Oh, ew.
What is that?
Okay, who nutted on the train? I don't like seriously. Dang, bro. Spider-Man? And everything's getting more and more eerie. A lot of spider webs. Oh, how? It won't open. Oh, and my lighter went out. You know what that means? We're dead. What's that? Yo. Oh, it's a child. Little girl, please. I'm... Yo. Guess this is more a game for, like, people with arachnophobia. Watch me still get jump scared, though. Quick, get in here. Did I do it? Oh. Thanks. That was close. You almost became her food. So what's up with her? Or worse? Listen, thanks for helping me. But you need to get out of here. This train can't take you home. And all you need to do is spin around 7 times. You hear me? 7 times. Don't forget. There you go. Looks like this is my stop. Hey! May we meet again. Remember, 7 times. Okay, so that's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that was pretty simple. Thank you in the background. Hey. So, do I just get off? Oh, that's cool. This isn't the way to go. Okay. So what happened to the... Oh, I guess the girl got her. Looks like it's locked. And we're out of here. Alright, I gotta try and freestyle on this now. Hey, it's the last train home. And I don't got a comb. My hair nappy. When you cry, you looking real sappy.
Turn it off!
And I gotta take a nappy.
Stop this madness.
Still got the lighter in my hands. Yeah, me. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I'm gonna be posting all summer. I actually have been consistent these last 3 posts. I've been consistent these last 3 posts, and yeah. Posting all summer. If you don't want to miss out on that, hit the bell and join the Discord. I have yet to plug that in the video. Join the freaking Discord because I'm lonely in there by myself. The link should be in the description to this game and to both the Discord. Anyways, mouse out.